Have you ever pondered over the question, why is Python such a popular language in the realm of programming? It's a question worth asking, especially when you consider the plethora of programming languages available today. So, why Python? Why has it become such a go-to language for so many programmers around the globe? Imagine a language that's as simple as English and as powerful as a rocket engine. That's Python for you. Its simplicity and robustness are its defining features. It's favored by many due to its ease of use, which makes it a beginner's ideal choice. The absence of complex syntax and cryptic code eradicates prolonged debugging, thereby enhancing productivity. Python emphasizes simplicity and readability. Don't misunderstand Python's simplicity for lack of power. It's indeed a versatile language, capable of tackling varied tasks like web development, data analysis, and machine learning. You can consider it as a Swiss Army knife in programming, equipped with tools for nearly any job. Python's popularity is underpinned by its vast library. It features a diverse collection of libraries and frameworks designed to simplify your programming tasks. Regardless of your project, whether a web application, data analysis, or game development, you're likely to find a Python library that makes your task easier. And let's not forget about Python's vibrant community. Millions of developers across the globe stand ready to help, fostering Python's popularity. This extensive community is an invaluable resource, providing tutorials, guides, forums, and discussion groups for all your coding needs. Python's ease of use, versatility, and broad library support are just some of the reasons why it's a favorite among beginners and experts alike. It's not only a programming language, but also a testimony to the coexistence of simplicity and power in the coding world. Python continues to be relevant thanks to its combination of unique features and a dynamic community that consistently pushes the boundaries. However, there's no one-size-fits-all solution in programming. Python might be suitable for many, but it's not the option. It all comes down to your objectives and your comfort level with different tools. Regardless, Python has secured its spot in the programming world, and it's here to stay. Remember, in the world of programming, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Python might be a great choice for many, but it's not the only option. It all comes down to what you're trying to achieve and what tools you feel comfortable using. But one thing's for sure, Python has earned its place in the programming world, and it's here to stay.